Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen made a very nice move down. It definitely did pull back pretty significantly in the Asian session. But if we go up to the higher time frames, one thing I've been really trying to emphasize is that the trend is definitely down. And there is really nothing stopping this from continuing the downtrend if it wants to. And the market flow is down and the structure analysis is down. So on the shorter time frames, we should potentially be looking at this as a push to the downside, especially with the fact, like I've been saying in the last couple of weeks, this looks like a potential ABC. If that's an ABC, then this potentially would be like a wave one, wave two. It would likely bounce off one of these fib levels and then end up going down for a big old wave three. Because what happens at the end of an ABC correction is an impulsive move, usually like a one, two, three, four, and five pattern. Now, today is FOMC interest rate news for the US. Very big news event, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event. So make sure you stop in and watch my live stream if you want my latest analysis on your favorite pairs before the news is released. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.